Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram video call floating screen not working problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram video call floating screen not working problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings option, and then go to apps or apps management option. Now find Instagram from the app list. Click on Instagram and then go to picture in picture option. Click on picture in picture option. Now allow picture in picture permission. Go back and then go to permissions option. Now allow all the permissions. After allowing all the permissions, go back and then go to storage option. Click on clear cache. Now go back to home screen and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to Instagram and call someone. Now see, floating video call is working.